In this video, I will guide you to create a multi-turn Q&A with no code. We need the ability to create a multi-turn Q&A, as sometimes when asked a question, your chatbot will need further information in order to provide the relevant answer. In this example, just like a human advisor, we want to create a chatbot that can proactively help a user rather than just giving out a simple answer. So rather than just providing a link to find the answer for themselves, it proactively helps them navigate the options and helps find the suitable answer for them. In this example, we're going to use the question, what types of financial aid are available? From within your chatbot, go to Design and click on the Q&A board on the top menu. Click to add a new Q&A. Under User Questions, Comments, type what types of financial aid are available. Under Chatbot Responses, enter the dialog. We provide a number of financial aid options. Click Add Media Multi-Turn Q&A. Click Add a new chatbot question message. When asked what do you want your chatbot to do, click Request User Input. Choose Yes/No free text question. In the dialog box, type, would you like me to walk you through various options and see which one might be best for you. Scroll down to Customize Chatbot Response. Click to add a custom response. Click to add a trigger. Use pre-built intent and select Yes. Click to add an action and select Quick Acknowledgement. Add in the dialog, great, let's do it. Click to add another action, select Follow-up Request, click Create a New Question. This creates a new topic card in which you will respond to the user confirming that they want some help exploring the different financial aid options. Now we need to create a trigger and actions for the no response. Scroll down and click to add another custom response. Click to add the second trigger. Again, use pre-built intent. This time, the only option remaining is no. Again, head to Action and add a quick acknowledgement. Add in the dialog, no worries then, you can always find me here if you want me to help you explore the financial aid options. Now we have the yes and no triggers and action set, we need to update the topic card that was created for the yes choice. Click on the new topic card you created. When asked what kind of question will the chatbot ask, select single answer multiple choice question. In the dialog window, type, in general, there are 4 types of financial aid options. If you know your situation better, I'd be able to narrow down the suitable options. Do you consider yourself military personnel? You'll then need to add in 3 options. Yes, I'm an active duty military personnel. No, I am not. I don't know what a military personnel means. You will now create 3 custom responses with triggers for each of the options. Set trigger 1 for this topic card to yes, I am an active duty military personnel. Add another action, quick acknowledgement. In the dialog window, type, thank you so much for your service. Military students have access to the Department of Defense Tuition Assistance Program, the Post 9/11 GI Bill, Yellow Ribbon Program and the Top Up Benefit Program. You will also have access to a dedicated student success advisor, career services support, 24/7 technical support in addition to testing, accommodations and disability services. UAP also accepts military transfer credits. Next, add another action, follow-up request, create new question. This will create a new topic card. We now need to create trigger 2. Under user choice, select No, I am not. Under actions, select quick acknowledgement. At the dialog, no worries, we have other options for you. Create a follow-up request, create new question. This will create yet another topic card. And finally, we add another custom response, this time for trigger 3. Select the option, I don't know what a military personnel means. Again, under actions, choose quick acknowledgement. At the dialog, sorry, I should have made it more clear. A military personnel could be an active duty military member, a veteran, or a spouse of an active duty military member. Finally, make sure you click the radio button, jump to topic. Now we need to edit the topic cards that were created for triggers 1 and 2. Click on the new topic card that was created in trigger 1 and choose Yes No free text question. Add the dialogue. Would you like me to connect you with one of my human colleagues who is specialised in helping military students? Scroll down and add a new custom response. We now need to add in the dialogue for the yes/no responses from the user. Set trigger 1, pre-built intent, yes. Create a quick acknowledgement. Add the dialogue, just hold on. Let me connect you with one of my human teammates. Now create a custom response and create the second trigger. Use pre-built intent and select no. Again, add your quick acknowledgement. Add the dialogue. Okay, here is the website where you could learn more about the military benefits, and let me know when you wish to talk to my human teammates. Now you should be left with a single topic card that needs editing. Select this card and select Yes/No free text question. Add the dialogue. Are you currently working full-time for an organisation? Again, we're going to need to add in the triggers for the responses yes and no. Select custom response, trigger 1, use pre-built intent and select yes. For the yes trigger, add the action quick acknowledgement. Add the dialogue. Super. We also offer employee tuition reimbursement. Here is a list of employers that we are currently working with. For no, add another quick acknowledgement. Add in the dialogue. Now let's take a look at other 3 options: scholarships and grants, payment plan, loans. You can see now that you have 4 topic cards on the left. Click on Q&A board on the top menu. Ensure that your new multi-turn Q&A is selected and click Submit. Now let's see a real-world example of our new multi-turn Q&A in action. Ask the question, what types of financial aid are available? Alicia responds with, we provide a number of financial aid options. Would you like me to walk you through the various options to see which one might be the best for you? Respond with yes. You'll see Alicia gives us the quick acknowledgement with great, let's do it, and then responds with, in general there are 4 types of financial aid options. If I know your situation better, I'd be able to narrow down the suitable options. Do you consider yourself military personnel? Select yes, I'm an active duty military personnel. You'll notice Alicia now gives the dialogue we created. Click more. Alicia then asks the question, would you like me to connect you with one of my human colleagues who specialises in helping military students? Respond yes. Alicia then responds with, just hold on, let me connect you with one of my human teammates. Now let's try a different variation of answers. Again, we ask the question, what types of financial aid are available? This time when Alicia asks, would you like me to walk you through the various options and see which one might be best for you? Respond no. Alicia responds with, no worries then, you can always find me here if you want me to help you explore the financial aid options. And finally, let's test another conversational path. This time when Alicia asks, would you like me to walk you through the various options and see which one might be best for you? We'll type yes. This time when Alicia asks us, do you consider yourself a military personnel? We'll say no. Alicia then acknowledges this and then asks, are you currently working full-time for an organisation? Type yes. Alicia then responds with super. We also offer employee tuition reimbursement. Here is a list of employers that we are currently working with. Congratulations, you've created your first multi-turn Q&A with no code.